Where did you find the word fuse? Abuta.
In the third lesson,
In the third lesson. Very good.
it's for protecting hardware.
Yes. You know, now supposing here there is a computer device or any other thing, like let's say any machine, whatever the machine, okay? So machine is here, right? So it's working. To work that we need the power, and once the power comes from here to give the machine, right? Now what will happen if the high voltage come, what will happen? This machine will burn, no? So that will burn because the power is high power. So for that we have a small unit, very tiny one, and here there is a small something like a tube, right? It's there. Within that tube there is a small, very tiny copper line is going on. So the power comes and connect to this point, and from this point power goes to here and then comes to this device. Now what is the difference between this? Now this is very thin copper one, right? Now if it is a high voltage come, what will happen, Puta? This very thin copper line will burnt because of this is a high voltage. So once that burnt means, so this is disconnecting here. Therefore what will happen? This high voltage come from here and it will not go from there because the connection in between here inside this is burnt and not connected, right? Therefore what will happen? Huh? So power, that high power doesn't come from here to here. Therefore there is no power comes to this unit. Since no power comes to this unit, so that will be safe, right? So that small item is called fuse. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
පුතා ෆියුස් එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ ඕනෑම ගොඩාක් දුරට මේ ෆියුස් කියන මේ පොඩි කෑල්ල අපේ කම්පියුටර් එකේ මදර්බෝඩ් එකේ ඇතුලේ හෝ වේවා එහෙම නැත්නම් ඕනම ඩිවයිස් එක ඒ පවර් සප්ලයි එක දෙන තැන අයිනේ හයි කරලා තියෙන්නේ. චූටි දෙයක් ඒක. විශේෂයෙන් කාර්වලක් තියෙනවා ඒ ෆියුස් කියන එක. ඒකේ කරන්නේ මොකද්ද? මේ වගේ කරන්ට් එක මෙතනින් ඇවිල්ලා ෆියුස් එකට කනෙක්ට් කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ෆියුස් එකෙන් ආයෙ කරන්ට් එක කනෙක්ට් කරනවා මේකට. එතන ෆියුස් එකේ ඇතුලේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? චූටි හීනි කොප කම්බියක්. පොඩි හීනි කම්බියක්. මේ කම්බියට දරා ගන්න පුළුවන් ඉලෙක්ට්‍රිසිටි වෝල්ටේජ් ප්‍රමාණයක් තියෙනවා. ඊට එහා වෝල්ටේජ් ප්‍රමාණයක් ගියොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මේ කම්බිය පිච්චෙනවා. එතකොට පුතා මේ කම්බිය වෝල්ටේජ් එක ඇවිල්ලා 230 වෝල්ටේජ් එකක් දරා ගන්න පුළුවන් කම්බියක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. ඊට එහා කරන්ට් එකක් ආවොත් ඒ කම්බිය එතනින් පිච්චෙනවා. පිච්චුනම එතනින් ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් වෙනවා. එතකොට මෙහින් එන හයි වෝල්ටේජ් එක මෙතනින් මේකට යන්නේ නැහැ. ඒකයි වෙන්නේ. අන්න ඒ වගේ පොඩි යුනිට් එකක්. අන්න ඒකට අපි කියන්නේ ෆියුස් කියලා.
Sir,
ඔව්.
sir, I had a little signal error. Did you write something, sir?
No, we were just discussing.
Okay, sir.
Right. Fuse කියන එක තේරෙනවද අපටම? Dion, did you get the understand what is fuse?
Yes, sir.
Right. So any other questions like that? Just go through quickly. Right. If not so, do we have to start the lesson number 4? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then You can turn on your book to the lesson number 4. So that's called word processing, right? So lesson number 4, word processing.
Sir, we already started the lesson, sir.
Which one? The lesson number 4?
Yes, sir.
That's what I was asking you all, Putala. When was started that one, Puta?
We started like we said what was word processing
No, I
software.
mean when was started that one?
We started that one, sir, last week.
That is why. Okay, Buddha. So what I am going to do is, Nitesh, we did that one, and also in that session, you two left earlier.
That means I can there.
Did you understand? Have you done that one? So that session also, you also did left earlier, no?
Yes, sir. I had to go to a little event.
Yeah, that's what I
That
mean. No, I mean to say, therefore, so we'll start from the beginning so that if there is anything, you can cover it up, isn't it?
all right, sir.
Okay. Uh, there's a small message. Wait, I want to read it. Okay, Kimatma, give me a time, huh? Okay, right. So, Nitesh, Nitesh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you are the teacher now. Can you
And
carry
the
on?
teacher.
Can you carry on? Listen, what is word processing?
The fourth lesson, right, sir?
Yes,
Okay, sir. Wait, sir.
because you were there. Now we were discussing.
Yeah. I will just give me 1 second, sir.
කෙමෙත්ම ඔයාට මේකද ඕනේ WhatsApp එකේද?
Chat from chat, sir.
All right.
All right, so I'll start. Sir,
Oh,
I'll start, sir.
okay, go ahead.
Okay. So last week we learnt about word processing software. So first, now when you say word processing software, we think of like Google Docs and those stuff. But first, we need to identify what does like word processing software means. So basically, word processing means composing, editing, and or storing a text-based document in any style is called word processing. And then we also talked about history of word processing. So the first form was writing using various objects that were available in the environment. For an example, like leaves, skin, stone chips, etc. And then we invented paper and composing books by copywriting manually. Then after a little bit of years, we used wood blocks and clay blocks for printing. So the fourth invention was the printing machine. And then we became even more advanced and we invented manual typewriters. And then we invented more typewriters which were electric or electronic typewriters. In the present date, we use computers for word processing. And for extra knowledge, the first computer for word processing was made in decade 1960. And the first word processing program in 1979 was WordStat. So will I tell the 4.2 as well?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's learn about word processing software. Word processing software can be defined as a computer program capable of creating a document, editing its content, modifying its colors or style, and sometimes printing it in different styles. We can take Microsoft Office, Word, Office, Open Office Writer, Word Perfect, iWork Pages, LibreOffice Writer as some examples for word processing software. And there are also many benefits of using a word processing software, such as creating a document, saving for future retrieval, printing document, search text in the document, word count, formatting of document, displaying spelling and grammar errors, and give a chance for correction, and printing several copies.
Okay, Puta. Right, good. Now what I want you to do is, uh, can you just dictate them what we wrote about the word processing?
What we wrote.
Yes. Others can write down that one. So I will explain with you again. So write down a heading called word processing and then write down what he says.
So will I tell, sir?
Yes. Just read them to write down.
All right. So up to 4.3.
Yeah.
All right. So first, guys, write the topic like sir said. So it's the unit 4 word processing. When you're okay, just say done.
Done.
Okay. Then after that, write a subtopic called let's identify word processing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta.
Sir, can I go and drink some water?
Okay. Write down this and go, Puta.
Okay, sir.
Then write the subtopic let's identify verb processing. Have you finished that? Just say okay when you're finished.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Say okay when you're finished writing the subtopic.
What's the subtopic?
Let's identify word processing.
Okay.
Okay.
And under that subtopic, you have to write with a like red star, right? Composing, comma, editing, and inside brackets, write manipulating, and close the brackets and write and slash or storing a text-based
Puta,
document.
too fast. Go little by
Oh, okay.
little. Go little by little. Too fast.
Okay, sir. So first write composing, comma, editing. Are you finished?
Yeah.
Then after that, inside, no, you don't need to write that. Then write and or, like and slash or.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Storing a text-based document. Okay. I finished.
Yeah.
Okay. In any style is called okay.
Yeah.
It's called word processing.
Right. I'm done.
Okay. Then write another subtopic called history of word processing. Okay.
Nope.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
All right. I've written the subheading.
Sorry.
Yeah, I've written the subheading.
Okay. And then under that write just write the first method is writing using okay.
Yeah.
So we wrote the first method is writing using various objects
Okay.
that were available
Okay.
in the environment.
Okay.
Okay, so next to that sentence, you can write like leaves, skin, stone chips, like that. Okay,
Yep.
okay. So the second method, just write the second method of word processing
Okay.
is the invention
Okay.
of paper and
Okay.
composing books
Okay.
by copywriting manually.
Okay.
Okay. Then so I'll put another star and write the third method
Okay.
is the use of
Okay.
wood blocks and clay blocks.
Putha, just wait little bit till others finishing and
All right.
Sadev only say okay, then he finish and then go ahead is not enough, not fair. Wait,
Okay.
the others
Okay,
also
sir.
finish them and go.
Yeah. Have you all finished the first?
I'm writing the third one. Can you please wait?
Okay. So the third one you have to write. The third method is Have you finished, Devmi?
Yeah.
So we talked about, so the third method is the use of wood blocks.
Okay.
Just say okay, okay. Have Devmi finished?
Yeah.
And clay blocks.
Okay.
Devmi, are you finished?
Okay.
Okay.
For printing.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Put another star and write. The fourth method is
Okay.
have you written, Devmi?
Yeah.
So it's the fourth method is the invention of
Okay.
Okay.
Devmi, of the printing machine.
Okay.
Okay, Devmi?
Okay.
All right. Then after that, you put another star and write the fifth method is
Okay.
Okay.
the invention of
Okay.
Devmi, I finish?
Okay.
The manual typewriter.
Okay.
Okay, Devmi?
No, wait a minute.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
And then write the the sixth method is
Okay.
Okay.
use of computers.
Okay.
Are you finished, Devmi?
Yeah.
For word processing.
పెద్ద హద్దమ్మా ఏమైంది ఎన్ని ఎన్ని
Okay, Devmi?
ඇක්ටිව් කරගන්න වෙන සල්ලි යනවා.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
ඉතින් කවුරුහරි
Write
ගිහලා
a
බලන්නකෝ. කවුරුහරි ලොග් කරලා
answer.
බලන්න.
Alright. Then write another subtopic called special landmarks.
Have we done that one Putha that day?
Sorry, sir.
Have we done that one that day? Landmarks.
No, sir.
So we no need wait. We will after discussing we will do that one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, wait Putal everybody. Right, so now I'm so happy that so you can do, even I'm not there, you can do a class by yourself, no? So that is very, I'm happy, so that so I need everybody to learn like that. මට ඕනේ හැමෝම මේ වගේ ඉගෙන ගන්න. For example, today lessons if you learn and next day you should be able to teach someone else or to explain someone else, right? So that is the way that I need. Right, okay. So we'll move to that word processing software and I'm going to discuss with you. So what is word processing software? Right? First of all, what is word? Word is what? Anything a letter, a few letter, no?
So like formed by many letters.
Yes, collection of letters called word. So we are going to manipulate the words, or we are writing words and we are doing lot of work with the word. So that is called word processing. And so word processing is done. Word processing is done from the beginning itself, earlier days also.
Yes, sir. Say they said that they use like stone chips, leaves, and
Yeah. Mm, what are the things that what are the things we did on the word processing earlier? ඒ කාලේ මුල් කාලේදී අපි word processing කරේ කොහොමද?
during the early ages, sir, we used like very like like we used like various objects that were available in the environment.
Yes, there are many various objects, no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
We were
And
using with the objects.
like ancient tablets, like that. Sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now there are Putha, many things we can write in the word processing, no? So earlier we were doing with many objects, no? What are the objects? We were writing in the leaves, no? Then there were some stones, we were writing on the stones. Then after that what happened? So after those things, there were many like machines were there. Not automatically machines, but the manual things machines. So that means inventing the machines. Then it was called printing, right? Printers were there. So we using printers to write some words, right? So after that there was many other small machine were there. Then it was invented that the typewriters, right? So manual typewriters here, so we have to type like this, so and we can create the words, so that's called typewriters. Then after that we were doing electronic typewriter. So when the power is there, so we connect to each other and then we do the electronic typewriters. So then after that the computer comes. So by using the computers we were doing many things with the word processing, right? So that is what we call the history from there to now. So that is what we have done it. So when we are using nowadays computers for the word processing, okay, for the then there are many packages. There are many packages that we can use word processing, right? Many packages. What are those packages? Can you tell me one of them? මොනවාද ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්න පැකේජ් කියන්න බලන්න. word processor ද භාවිතා කරන.
Office.
Office is a common one, right? Office is a common word. One thing is called Microsoft Word. The other one is Microsoft Office Writer. The other one is Word Perfect. Then another one is called Work iPage, iWork Page, and LibreOffice Writer, and Word Star, Word Perfects. So these are the packages. Yes, Puta.
We can also take PowerPoint.
No, that is that is not for the word processing. Actually, that is for the presentation, Puta. Right?
Oh, okay.
So now here the word processing those are the packages we use for the word processing. Okay? So one of that anybody can use to create, develop, edit or manipulate any word or set of words. Right? So that is called word processing and the word processing software. So are you okay? Can you understand what is word processing software? Yes? Right. Now I want to ask you again what I said. Prabhaswara, can you explain me what I said to you now so far?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, are you Prabhaswara?
No, sir.
Then?
I just want to say, sir, I was stuck. So can you explain that again?
Yes, now Prabhaswara will explain you, then you can understand it again. Prabhaswara. අහන් ඉන්න කියන්නේ ඒකයි සුදු පුතේ. Sadev, go ahead.
Sir,
Yes.
you were talking about how word processing works.
Okay. Now so far what I was telling you something. From that what did you understand? So that what you understood, just go ahead through back. Yes? No? You didn't understand? Okay. තව කාටද එහෙනම් නයනාන්දේට ඇහුණාද? කාටද පුළුවන් කියන්න? මොකද්ද පුතේ මං කිව්වේ මෙච්චර
So I can tell.
But you were there no that day also. And you were teaching also for us no. මම ආයෙ කියන්නම් word processing කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ වචන කීපයක් අපේ ඕන විදිහට සකසා ගැනීමේ ක්‍රියාවලිය තමයි word processing කියලා කියන්නේ. මේ word processing කියන එක not now, from the earlier it has come. Nowadays මේ දවස්වල විතර නෙමෙයි අයත අතීතයේත් මේක තිබුණා. මුල් කාලේදී ගස් ගල් වල ලිව්වා නේද? ඊට පස්සේ කොළ හොයාගත්ත පස්සේ කොළ වල ලිව්වා. ඊට පස්සේ printing machine
Printing machines.
printing machine හොයාගත්තාම printing machine හරහා ඒක තව විධිමත් කරා අර වචන සකසන එක. ඊට පස්සේ typewriters හොයාගත්තා. ඒ typewriters electronic typewriters වලට පරිවර්තන වුණා. ඊට පස්සේ පෞකාණ computers පාවිච්චි කරා මේ වගේ
Sir.
වචන කරන්න. Yes.
So it means even the note I'm writing on my book is technically word processing.
Yes. That's correct. It's also word processing. It's come from back of that word processing technique. Now once you find out the leaves, right, and the paper. So when the paper was invented, then started in many way of writing or many way of word processing, right? Then after that they have a manual method of developing word processing. What are those manual methods? Something like seal. ඔක seal ගන්නවා වගේ එක එක හැඩ කපලා අපි අච්චු ගහන්නේ වගේ. මේ මට මතකයි අපි කරන කාලේ අලගෙඩියක් කරන් අලගෙඩිය ගානට කපලා සීල් එකක් වගේ හදනවා නේ. අර කෙහෙල් ඇත්තේ කෙහෙල් කෑල්ල කපලා එක සීලයක් වගේ ගහන නේද? So these are the way of developing the word processing. So it has come then. ඒක ඊට පස්සේ ආවා machine කියන්නේ printing machine නිෂ්පාදනය වුණාට පස්සේ ඒව හරහා මේවා print වෙන්න පටන් ගත්තා. word processing වෙන්න පටන් ගත්තා. Then after that there were typewriters. Typewriters කියන එක නිර්මාණය කරගෙන හොයාගෙන ඒකෙන් type කරලා words නිර්මාණය කරන්න පටන් ගත්තා. So after that only then they were doing that same typewriter with the electronic method, electrical, right? So then it has been developed and then it comes to the computer. So computer was using to manipulate or to develop or to create the word processing. Alright? So in that computer there were many programs. We call it packages. There were many packages. So those packages we use to develop the word processing, right? So list of those packages is known as what? Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office Writer, Word Perfect, and the iWork Page, LibreOffice, WordStar, something like, no? So those there were many software which were using by the computer to develop the word processing, right? අපි එතන නිකන් ලියාගත්තද කියලා බලන්න පොඩ්ඩක් ලියාගමු එන. ලියාගන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙම.
So we wrote up to history of like we did history of computer. Now we need to write like like word processing software.
Yes, that's what I said. So write down. Let's learn about word processing software. Let's learn about word processing software. Let's learn about word processing software.
So,
Yes.
to the terms, we should keep in mind how this word processing software developed. Rachel?
So what we are discussing right now?
No, sir. Should we keep in mind this way of developing word processing software further to the term test?
Yes, yes. You mean to say now we are using some word processing packages. So up to now, how that it comes? You are asking like that? No, this is from the history to now. Is that the one you are asking?
Yes, sir. That process
Yes.
should be
Yeah.
keep in mind for the term test.
Oh yes, Puta. You have to keep in mind how this word processing comes to alive from those days to now. So it's something like you have to remember. Okay. Write down like this. There are there are many word processing software. There are many word processing software presently used presently used and 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 some of them are and some of them are and some of them are as following.
Okay.
හරි. ඒවා ටික එක යට ලියා ගන්න. Microsoft Office Word.
What, sir?
Microsoft Office Word. ඊළඟ එක Open Office Writer. Next one, Word Perfect. Word Perfect.
Sir, can you do some water and come?
Word Perfect.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Sir, can I drink some water?
Okay. Next one, iWork Pages. iWork Pages. Next one. LibreOffice Writer.
What, sir?
LibreOffice Writer.
Sir, can you put it into the board?
It's in the book. Page number. Do you want to say page number? Say page number 35. Page number 35. LIBRE LibreOffice Writer. Okay, finish.
Yes, sir.
All right. හරි. බලමු ඊළඟට එමනම් මේ word processing software වලින් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් දේවල් මොනවද? So what are the benefits of word processing? Or what we can do with the word processing? That is what mean. Right?
You can use it and print things out. Like
Yes.
you can type in an essay and print things out, saving the time that you can save time basically.
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah.
sir,
Yes.
how about creating documents? Sir,
Yes.
yes, we can create documents.
Yes. What else? Creating
Sir,
document.
it gives us the word count, and word processing also like checks our spelling and grammar and then makes it better.
Yeah. There are many features, right? So there are many features, not only one. Nitesh. Yes, Nitesh.
We can also take display, spelling and grammar errors.
Yeah, those are called the features of the word processing. So that means what we can do word processing software. That's what it is, right? So there are many things, not only few. There are many things that we can do. I will show you one of them, one arts that we can do with the word processing, right? So just we write down another example of the heading called benefits. Example of benefits. Benefits of word processing. Right. So by using this word processing, there are many benefits. So one of the benefit is called what? Creating document. Right?
Saving time.
Very good. Saving time also available because of that. So we can do documentation. So it's saving time. Next one is saving time.
Spelling and grammar assessment.
Yes. And also searching and printing document. Printing documents, right? So we can, after writing, we can print them, and also we can we can do many formatting. We can do many formattings, editing. The next one is also you can say editing. We can do editing, and
Printing copies.
Yes, I have put here printing. And sharing copy also. Sharing the documents with no cost. Sharing document with no cost. With no cost. මිල මුදලක් නැතුව අපිට ෂෙයා ගන්න පුළුවන්, කොපි ගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? කොපීස් ගන්න පුළුවන්.
Gives the word count, so then you know how many words there are in your essay or something.
Yeah, also that also can do it. Words counting.
Sir, can we get saving for future requirement?
Huh? Here I say save in time.
No, sir, saving for future requirement.
Yeah, that's also a word counting. And save in document. What else? Creating many types of documentary. නෑ අපිට මෙතන තමයි creating document කියලා නේද?
Ability to liven up your document by using clip art.
What?
Ability to lighten up your document using clip art and like different styles.
Yes. So we can put like here ability to, that means we can put like this, ability to use the multimedia, no?
Sir,
Huh?
can't see the last term in benefits.
Ability to use the multimedia. Which one did you say, Puta?
Ability to write in different formats like cursive writing.
Yes, that also can. So that what it comes here also, Buddha. When you say formatting and editing, so that belongs to there also. It doesn't matter. So can you write down those things? And some of them are also available in your book, right? Searching document also available now, no?
Can you write ability to use fonts?
Yes, that also. So you can write down in short form what I was writing in the whiteboard, or else you have that same thing in the page number 35. Also it's available in page number 35.
Sir, ability to use the
Multimedia. Multimedia means we can insert the word to the picture, audio, and many more things we can insert, no? And shapes.
So I finished.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm done.
Good.
Finished. Sir.
Right, if finish, just please go to the workbook, right? In workbook, activity 4.2, go ahead with the activity 4.2, right?
I finished, sir.
Is it writing finish or not yet?
Sir, I finished.
You have finished.
Not yet.
Okay, finish it.
the textbook with me. I should be able to do the first question in activity 4.2.
Okay, go ahead. 4.1. Once you finish 4.2, right? Sorry, I forgot to tell you 4.1 you didn't do it, no? 4.1 also you have to do. 4.1 also you have to do.
So we did it last week.
No, I mean for the others.
Okay, so I finished both of the exercises. I mean activities.
Right. Others are still doing or what? Kemetma finished?
Yes, sir.
It's
I have finished, sir.
Right. Everybody has finished now. So we'll move then. හරි. බලමු දැන් මොකද්ද word processing software කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ. Right. බලමු මේ first activity 1.4. Right. Consider the following statement X for the correct statement and for incorrect statement. Right. correct statement එකක් හදලා ඒක නම් කරලා තියෙනවා ABC එක කොහේ හරි වාට. හරිද? අපිට තියෙන එක නම් කරලා දාගන්න. හරි. මොකක්ද දෙන්න ඕනේ ඒක? First one එකට මොකක්ද දෙන්න ඕනේ? Word processing is a computer hardware based operations.
Wrong.
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 Sir.
Wrong.
So what is the answer for second one?
Right, first one answer, what is it? බලමු දැන් 4.1 බලන්න පුතා 4.1 right word processing is a computer hardware based operations is it right or wrong
Wrong.
yeah no it is wrong if you have put wrong only you have to write down or tick it as right
Oh.
okay second one open office writer open office writer is a word processing software
Correct.
yes it's correct හරිද ඒක third one MS Word is the very first word processing software.
No, sir.
No, no.
The first one was word step in 1979.
So what was the first one?
First one word processing software. word processing software. Computer based position කියලා කියනවා. Right. Fourth one.
Can you tell it again, sir?
Which one? First one or second one?
Third one. The very first word processing software. What is that?
Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Hello?
Sir, aren't we supposed to be going over the activity?
Which one? Number 2?
Activity. Yeah.
Yeah, so the first one is okay, no? Linux is not a word processing software. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the color comes?
Sorry, sir.
Uh, Linux is not a word processing software. Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Yeah,
Correct.
Linux is a word processing software.
No,
No,
sir,
incorrect,
it's
incorrect, incorrect, incorrect,
operating
incorrect,
system.
It's wrong, huh?
incorrect,
It's wrong. Linux is not a word processing software, right?
incorrect.
Okay, right. Let's move to the question number 2. Word processing software. Kira dara liyan dikena word processing software kana. Hari. Nitesh, what is that word that you wrote? Answer.
Sorry, sir.
Answer.
For the which one, sir? Shower my sir.
What is word processing software? I need the answer for that.
What is word processing? Also, what is word processing software?
Yes.
Word processing software, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So I wrote it as the word processing software means it's a software where the user is flexible of creating a document, editing its content, and modifying its color or style. Is known as a word processing software,
Yes.
and you
That,
can
that,
also,
that, that is correct. That is correct.
okay.
So I wrote for the second question, the ability to write a word on a solid slash digital plane is known as word processing.
Okay. That's correct. What else anybody is written there? Anybody's answer?
So, by using word processing a document,
What?
by using word processing a document,
Yes, that's correct. That's correct, right? Okay, अब मैं हम करूँ. Let's learn from there itself next week. අපි next week එක ඔතනලා ඊළඟට එක කරමු. එහෙම නේද? Okay ද?
Okay, sir.
Right.
yes, sir.
So, up to now, do you have any questions? Are you okay with the summaries? Can you clear?
Yes, sir.
Nayanandini, are you clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Chamat, Dion, are you okay?
So, what is word processing software?
Word processing software is something else, word processing is something else. Okay, Puta. Word processing means what? Creating, editing, and manipulating a word is known as word processing software. Okay. Shall we start from the work document next week, right? Okay, so then God bless you. Hamotam busarnai JCB type of hamotam.
Okay, sir.
Mangane,
God bless.
okay. Mangane heter nimadu jeno kon iskole.Esa barande anne. Okon hamotam mangane nimadu iskole nimadu. Okay. God bless you. Sir,
God
bye.
bless you, sir.
Okay, bye.